In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to reveal a clip in Finder or File Explorer, which means locating the actual media file stored on your computer. Sometimes you may want to back up footage, move it to another drive, or simply check where the file is saved. This method helps you find it instantly. Let's begin. First, go to your timeline or the project panel and select the clip you want to locate. Now, right-click on the clip. From the menu, choose on Windows, Reveal in File Explorer. On Mac, Reveal in Finder. Immediately your system file window will open and the original media file will be highlighted. This shows you the exact folder where the file is stored on your computer. This feature is especially useful when you need to manually copy project files, you want to check storage location, you're troubleshooting missing media. Remember, this reveals the actual file on your hard drive, not just inside Premiere. And that's it. You now know how to reveal a clip in Finder or File Explorer in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.